How are you? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty God. You know that we have been facing a very much crisis, that is COVID-19, so that we cannot continue our studies properly. So we are very to have ill luck. So our today's topics are sentence. At first, my question is to you that what is sentence? I know you know well, a group of words that make a complete sense is called sentence. A group of words which make a complete sense is called sentence. I know you are okay about the topics. You know that there are so many types of English grammar. Sentence is one of them. Not only one of them, it is a vital point of English grammar. I think so. Now, I am giving some examples on the board. I think you will write down your khata one by one. I take tea. We do not go to field. What's your name? Read more and more. May you be happy in life. Alas, I have I am undone. These are all sentences, but all sentences meanings are not the same. Every sentences express a several meanings. Number one, I take tea. This is a simple statement. We do not go to field. This is also a simple statement. What's your name? This is a asking sentence. Read more and more. This is expressing a advising. May you be happy in life. This is a wishing sentence. And last one, alas, I am undone. This is expressing a feeling. So, I think as per meaning of the sentence of the board, there are 5 kinds of sentence. Number 1, assertive, A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E, assertive sentence. Now, I ask you to all, what is assertive sentence? I think everybody is well known to the sentence. A sentence which express a simple statement is called an assertive sentence, such as the boy has gone to market. Number 2, you did not take tea. The 2 sentences are assertive sentence. Number 1 sentence expresses a affirmative and the second sentence expresses a negative. So, assertive sentences are divided into 2 kinds. Number 1, affirmative. Number 2, negative. Affirmative sentence is a sentence which express a affirmation is called affirmative sentence, such as we play football. This sentence expresses a affirmation. So, this is called affirmative sentence, and affirmative sentence has come from assertive sentence, because assertive sentence may be affirmative or negative. So, this is called affirmative sentence, we play football. And the second one, negative sentence, such as you are not happy. This sentence expresses a negation form, so it is called negative sentence. I think you all are okay about assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence, interrogative, interrogative sentence. Now, my question is to you, what is interrogative sentence? We can say, we can ask any question to anybody, such as what's your name, What's your name? How are you? Do you play cricket? These sentences ask question to anybody. So these sentences are called interrogative sentence. Now we can define in a such way a sentence is a sentence which is asking a question to anybody is called an interrogative sentence. Okay? I think, have you understood about interrogative sentence? Our next point, that is imperative sentence. imperative imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence expresses order, request, advice, forbid, proposal, and so on is called imperative sentence, such as come here at once, please help me. Let us go home. These sentences expresses order, request, advice, proposal. So this is called imperative sentence. Not only that, every imperative sentence have implied you on front of the sentence. So this is called imperative sentence. And the other point is number 4, let him write a letter. This sentence expresses a permission, such as let me come in, let him write a letter, let them catch fish, and so on. I think you all are okay about assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence. Not only that, you can define easily from your own eyes sentence. So I would stop deliberation here. Thank you very much. Again, see the next. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. Sanjay Sahib. Sanjay Sahib. Sanjay Sahib. আসেন। কাজ হয়ে গেছে, কাজ আমি বুঝতে পারছি, আবার করতে হবে না ক্লাস। আচ্ছা, সমস্যা আছে।